It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside.
All right, today we're doing Angel's Landing. It's a little chilly this morning. Hopefully it will warm up really soon. But yeah, we're gonna be hiking all the way to the top of the mountains today. You want that next thing? We got some color yesterday, but we're doing Angel's Landing today. This is apparently the scariest one. 15 people have died since this trail has opened, and yeah, you'll see what it looks like when we're there. It's like these thin-ass walkways, and we have chains just to hang on to, which is nice. It's just bolted to the wall, but yeah. So now we're gonna leave soon.
Yeah, last time we just
Hey, versus us.
I don't know where it is. It's right there. It's right there. That's right. Yeah, we're going up that. Oh my gosh, what the frick? We get up. We get up there. I'll just wait for you guys. We get up there. All right, guys, let's rappel now.
Pit stop number 2.
Last stop was right down there. That's where we started, down there by that bus.
Stop number 3. We are currently in a canyon right now, and we got more wiggles coming up. Wait, we're only halfway done.
Yeah, just give me a sandwich and my water. No, I'm just getting a sandwich and water. I'm cooling down here.
Everyone else is going besides AJ.
Yeah, baby, you already know.
Emmett?
I'm here. Big chance.
Emmett?
Just takes it in the air. Somebody lost their cash.
Good thing you have that hand.
Oh, that was good.
Keep going, Dutch Brothers.
Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. Shoot. I look down.
Yes, sir. Now we're gonna be heading down. This is gonna be tough. Wait, let me show you guys where we're heading down towards. So we have to go all the way down to that shed, if you can. Yeah, picture of AJ. We have to go way down there, and now we're at the top.
Oh,
Oh, this bend is.
We could just jump fast?
Yeah, we could jump.
Be a little faster.
Be fast. But yeah, let's go down now.
We'll go down this way instead.
We're almost back to you, AJ. Just
No rush.
hold on, AJ. Yeah. Okay, looking back.
Whoa.
Looking back. Yeah. Yeah? I'm okay. That's what we climbed down.
And
It looks way steeper from back here.